We are also engaged in development in the area of additive technologies. Since 2018, we have had at our disposal an experimental laboratory with state-of-the-art equipment. This facility is equipped with metal and polymer 3D printers. We use a number of software tools in conducting research activities. Designs are made in SolidWorks, while for simulating structure behavior during printing, we use SimuFact and 3D Experience. For pre-processing, we use Magic software. We use a number of specialized software tools for research in the area of additive manufacturing. These are utilized in the design phase as well as in simulations of the process of additive manufacturing and for creating the print program. A crucial part of our equipment is DED, or Direct Energy Deposition technology. In principle, this involves a very precise adding of layers of metal materials with the option of changing the chemical composition of the layer which is being deposited. This technology allows us, for example, to print structural elements with special properties onto parts manufactured using conventional technologies. We're printing a weld deposit onto a component using a material that will locally improve its physical properties. In this particular case, the component was refurbished. Onto the base material, a layer of special material was deposited, which will make the component's further use in production possible. The weld deposit will actually extend the component's lifetime. It is also possible to use this technology to print machine parts. These components are used in special applications and prototype production.